What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we are working on a 2020 Chevy Trax. Codes that we're having is P0496 and P0443, which is the Purge solenoid valve. I've done this video on Fords, on other Chevys, so it's pretty much the same thing, just to kind of show you that it works on every single vehicle. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna look for the purge valve. We're gonna unplug it, both the connector and the hose, turn on the car. If it's creating suction, then we have a bad purge valve, and we're gonna go ahead and replace it. So let's get to it. Okay, to get started, right here on the back of the intake we have the purge valve. It comes with one connector and a hose with a clip on it. So first thing we're gonna do on the connector, it has a little red tab, so we're gonna pull the tab back, and then you should be able to press the black tab and pull it out. As far as the hose goes, it's a little bit harder than this. On this particular one, it has like a double tab, so the little one with like the eyelid here, you're gonna push it down, and then the other little tab that it has, you pull it up. So one side goes down, the other side goes up. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but once you do it with both hands, after you push one side down, one side up, you should be able just to pull it straight out. And here you can see how you can tell the two tabs. Alright, so now we're gonna turn on the vehicle, and you should be able to hear the suction on that hose when I put my finger on it. Also, if you can't hear it, you can see it on my finger. You can see my finger kind of being sucked in there for a little bit. So I know it's hard to hear because these engines are noisy. And here we have our GM purge valve, part number 555-73017. When it's connecting the purge valve, be careful with this side. Sometimes I've seen it where this nipple gets broken on the intake. So just make sure you press the two tabs, pull it straight up, and then when you pull the purge valve through this side, sometimes the grommet will stay there, so you just go back and pull it out with you. Here's a side-by-side of the old and the new purge valve from GM. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. Make sure that you route that cable the way it was, so it goes behind this hose over here, and then we're gonna pull in where the little mount goes first, and then we're gonna put it where it goes on the intake. And just push it in till it, like, you can hear the snap in. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on, so you should be able to see it on my finger that it's no longer being sucked in there. I hope you guys can tell, but on my finger there is no suction. So now we can go ahead and start connecting our hose and our connector back on. Make sure you put your tabs back in after you reconnect it. So make sure you put your safety clips back on. Now the last thing to do is go back inside the vehicle, and with a scanner, go ahead and delete or erase check engine light codes. If you don't have a scanner, I mean, you can technically just disconnect the battery for like 5 minutes, but you saw the code, so you probably had a scanner, so just erase the codes and you should be good. Alright guys, so that is it. That's how easy it was to check the purge valve on this 1.4 liter Chevy Trax and to replace it. Like I said, same procedure that I've done in other vehicles. I just wanted to show you guys that it was the same thing on this vehicle. The procedure to check them is the same way. Some of them are harder to get to, but how to check them, same thing. Alright guys, I really hope you found this video helpful and informational. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and have yourselves a great day.